All right, let's go ahead and create that for that get product by ID query itself. So, so in that case, we are going to create that get product, and let's go ahead and get product by ID query. And once that thing is in place, so again we are going to just apply that I request thing, and here we are going to need that product response, and in this case we are going to need that string property, which is going to be ID itself. And let's have that constructor in place, which is going to take that string ID itself, and this time we are going to say that ID equals ID. That's the case. And once that is done, let's go ahead and create its handler, right? So we are going to just say that get product by query by ID query handler. So I think that name will suffice that. Get product by ID query handler, and in this case we are just going to request that I request handler, and this is again going to be the same case like how we are going to have that at the other places, right? So for that let's go ahead and do that. So what was that, like get product by ID query and that is going to just return that product response, because this is going to be a single response itself. So, and of course that is going to be async, and since this is going to be product response itself, so that is going to be resolved by iProduct repository. And let's have this thing in place, and let's implement this field repository. Now let's get the product in here, and with that product in place, what I'm going to say that await for that get product repository and get product, and this time it is going to be request, and from request body it should supply that ID, and this should give that, and where product response is going to be product mapper itself, and then mapper dot map, and in this case it's going to be product response and then the product, right? Now this product could be written here, right? Same way we can do for the other piece as well. So let's say get product by name query handler. So let's go ahead and create that get product by name query. And in here I am going to have the request for, and that is going to return me the list for product response, right? And that's it. And here again I'm going to return need a one string type basically, and that type is going to be name itself. Again I'm going to need that constructor, and this time it is going to need that name, and this name is going to be the part of that property. And so let's have this thing in place, and we again need to create one handler for this. So this time it will be get product by name query handler. So let's go ahead and create that. By name query handler. Having said that, let's implement that particular thing. And with that thing in place, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to implement the same way how I have implemented for that my other places, right? So now it's going to have this I request handler, and it is going to take get product by name query, and it is going to return me that list for that product response. And there is something wrong, I think extra bracket, right? And let's implement this. With that thing, let's complete this async here, and I'm just going to need the constructor for what else, like this constructor is going to be the product itself. So I product repository, and that is going to be the product repository, and read only field goes like this. Now here again I'm going to get the product list itself, right? So let's do that. And what I'm going to have this is like product repository get product, and this time request dot name, or maybe get products, I would rather say, or get product by name, because right, and that will give me the more proper response. And in that case we are just going to have that get product response list, right? So product response list is going to be the product mapper, and dot mapper dot map, and in this case is like obviously it is going to be, because that is again going to be list of that, right? So the list of product response, and this is going to be product list, and now just return that product response list, right? And is there anything missing here, like a bracket? Probably, yeah. Now let's build this once and let's see what it is coming up. Alright, so build succeeded. Now let's do the other queries in the next video.